Hello friends, this is Bharat and today we are going to unbox a product from Decathlon. As you might have already guessed from the title and the thumbnail, this is a fishing rod and the name of the fishing rod is First Fish 300, which is a beginner fishing rod which is sold by Decathlon. So without wasting any further time, let's unbox it. So now we are going to unbox it and let's see what is inside the product. মাছ চাছ গেলা মাছ চাছৰ গোন্ধ পাই আছো তই পাইছ কেনি খুলো এটো দেখা দেখলে হ'ব So I am trying to open the box, and since I have never ordered anything from Decathlon before, I mean not in the online mode. Of course I have ordered something, of course I have bought some products via the store, but the nearest store is about 200 kilometers far away from my home. So this is the product itself. There is nothing else inside. The box is empty. The box is totally empty. There is nothing inside the box. So let's keep the box aside. So this is the product itself, and it is a telescopic pole. So let's see how it opens up. This is the full length, and they have also provided the float and probably I guess one hook and a fishing line which carries about 2 kgs of weight, 2 kilograms of weight, which is more than sufficient for a beginner. So let's unpack it. Dunia no color to raw. Acha. Okay. Kata to kotholu. Oh hole. So this is what they have provided with the fishing pole itself. This is the float, and here if the camera is able to focus, you will see a very small hook which is also good enough for micro fishing and catching small fishes like tilapias and cichlids and all. And after that the line is wound up. As you can see, it is a nylon line, and according to the description the line is about 2 meters long. Okay, now let's keep the components aside. Now this is the fishing rod. I actually don't know how to open this up, but let's try to do it anyways. So this is a stopper, and after that the fishing lines comes out like this, and this is about okay. We will show you a full view of the fishing rod, but for now let's only see what's in the fishing rod itself. So at the tip of the fishing rod, you see, if the camera is able to focus, you will see that okay, the camera is able to focus that there is this portion where the fishing line goes in, and if we tighten this, or first we have to loosen this up. So when we lose it, the hook, there is a hook like structure here too, I don't know, camera is unable to focus. Please focus camera. Focus हो जा. Okay. Okay. हाँ. So this is the hook portion. The fishing line goes in here, and after the fishing line goes in, we tighten this part, and then we can continue fishing. So now let's see how long this is, a full view. So this is the whole fishing rod, my dear friends. I hope you can see it, and it's quite long, and I think the whole length of this rod is about 12 feet, and yeah, 12 feet, 12 feet lamba. And since today I forgot to bring bait, I cannot fish here. The original plan was to fish, but I did not bring any bait, so that is why I will not be able to try this today. But I promise that in the next video we will do a try on, or we will try this fishing rod in this beautiful river, and we will see if that we can catch some fish. And for today, this is all. This is the fishing rod. I don't know if it's fitting the whole camera or not, but it's more than enough for a fishing rod. I was not expecting it to be this long, and it's very lightweight. To be honest, it's very lightweight. I mean, you won't even feel a thing. It's very good, and it's very the action is very, let's say, slow. I guess I to be honest, I'm really a very beginner in this field, so I don't know a lot about fishing rod, which is why I also bought this first fish. And if I succeed in catching more fish with this fishing rod, I will be upgrading to more. But for today, this is all for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Golu.